Out! I asked you to go back to the hut and lock yourself in. Why did you not do that?
I'm sorry, Father. Yes, you said that, but I followed you out of curiosity, Father.
Do not try this another day.
A man that's found favor before the gods and